We're working on a Sportster today. It's got an oil leak at the usual place. Just there, the gasket's gone on the bottom there, on the rocker. So we've got to strip it down and replace the gasket.
What is it?
Do this side as well.
What's this?
Oh, what?
The weight thing or something, it's just set a certain thing or something. I haven't got one of those. Or
Oh, haven't you? What, a torque wrench?
torque wrench, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you got one of those.
I've got one at home. Yeah, get them two bolts out and we can get the cover off. And we'll get to the gasket then. Bottom gasket. There's leaking down there. So, doing it without dropping the engine down, hopefully. Doing alright so far. Well, we've got the rocker cover off. It's got two separate gaskets on there which are prone to leaking. So we've got a new one which is one solid gasket, new design, so it should stop it leaking. Right, that's the new one-piece gasket that replaces the two single ones that are prone to leaking. So got to clean all the old gasket material off and we've got ready for a nice new gasket there. Hopefully it should stop it leaking, a new design gasket. Got most of the gasket material off now, just got to clean it up a bit more and ready to go back on. 10 to 13 pounds on the middle one.
I should have got something like that, shouldn't I? Bloody torque wrench with this.
Showing about 10 on that. 10 to 13. Yeah, them ones you can't get it onto it, the torque wrench onto them ones, so
What sort of torque kit do you need for that?
it's done. It should be 15 on the big ones. 15 to 18, it's about right, that one I think. Yeah? Do the top one then. Yeah.
Bleeding stuck there, isn't it?
Oh God. Where's it gone there?
Yeah.
It's about right, 15. Yeah, about right I think. Yeah, just try and get that top cover on. So just got to get the tank on and it's all ready to go.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah. Petrol.
Yeah. Oh. Choke.